How to change currency on Facebook Marketplace. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can change your currency on Facebook Marketplace in the easiest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come over to your marketplace right here, and whatever currency you want, you can change it according to the region you have. So let's say right now I'm in Los Angeles, California, which is why my currency is in USD. Okay. So let's say I want to change it to, let's go with the euros, or let's go with Great British Pound. Okay, so for that, I need to switch it to London. Okay, so you can go with London, or you can even write in United Kingdom. So I'm gonna go ahead and write United Kingdom right over here. And in the case you don't find United Kingdom over here, don't worry about that. What you can simply do is just add the name for some city. So let's say I'm going to go with Manchester. Okay. And once you've added Manchester, according to that, it should generally find the city. And, whatever city you apply, it's going to change the products, obviously. But at the same time, it's also going to change your currency. So, according to yourself, choose whatever area or region you want. And according to that region, it's going to give you the proper, city that you need. So let's say I'm going to switch over to India. Okay. So let's switch to India. I'm going to click on apply, and now you're going to see that it's going to change currency to India's currency. And that is pretty much about it. That is how you can change currency in Facebook Marketplace in the easiest and most simplest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.